What if I told you that time itself might not be what you think it is, and the universe you know could be just one bubble in an infinite cosmic foam that existed before the Big Bang ever happened? Let's start with what we think we know. We're told the universe began with a massive explosion about 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang. Everything we see, from the farthest galaxies to the atoms in your body, emerged from that single point of infinite density. But here's where it gets weird. If the Big Bang created not just space, but time itself, then asking what happened before the Big Bang might be like asking what's north of the North Pole. The question might not make sense within our conventional understanding. However, modern physics suggests some mind-bending possibilities that go beyond this simple answer. One leading theory is the cyclic universe model, the idea that our universe goes through endless cycles of expansion and contraction. Think of it like a cosmic heartbeat. The universe expands, reaches a maximum size, then collapses back into a high-density state, only to explode again in a new Big Bang. In this scenario, there wasn't just one beginning. There have been countless beginnings stretching back into an infinite past. Another fascinating concept is cosmic inflation theory. Before the hot Big Bang we're familiar with, there might have been a period of exponential expansion driven by a mysterious energy field. This inflationary epoch could have lasted a tiny fraction of a second, but during that time, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. The Big Bang then marks the moment when this inflation ended and conventional expansion began. But what existed before inflation? Some physicists propose that there might have been a quantum foam, a seething sea of virtual particles and energy fluctuations at the smallest scales imaginable. From this chaotic quantum realm, our universe could have spontaneously emerged through a process called quantum tunneling. It's like a bubble forming in boiling water, except the water is the fabric of spacetime itself. Then there's the multiverse hypothesis. Our universe might be just one of many in an infinite cosmic landscape. Other universes could have different physical laws and constants, and they might be constantly popping into existence. In this view, asking what came before our Big Bang is like asking what existed before your particular birthday. Other people were already having birthdays long before you were born. But perhaps the most radical idea comes from loop quantum gravity, which suggests that time itself might be quantized, made of discrete chunks rather than a smooth continuum. In this framework, the Big Bang might not have been the absolute beginning, but rather a bounce from a previous collapsing phase. The universe didn't begin from nothing, it transitioned from a previous state. The truth is, we're pushing against the very limits of human comprehension. Our brains evolved to understand cause and effect within time, so contemplating a state without time is fundamentally challenging. Current physics suggests that at the moment of the Big Bang, the distinction between past, present, and future breaks down. The closer we get to that singularity, the more our conventional notions of reality become meaningless. This brings us to the philosophical question: does the universe need a beginning at all? Some physicists argue that the question itself might be flawed based on our limited human perspective. If time is an emergent property rather than fundamental, then the concept of before might not apply to the ultimate origin of everything. What's remarkable is that we can even ask these questions. The fact that human minds, products of this universe, can contemplate its origins is itself a profound mystery. Every observation we make, every telescope we build, every equation we write brings us closer to understanding, but also reveals how much we still don't know. The search for what came before the Big Bang isn't just about satisfying curiosity. It's about understanding the fundamental nature of reality itself. Each theory, from cyclic universes to quantum foam to multiverses, represents a different way of thinking about existence. They're not just scientific hypotheses. They're different perspectives on what it means for something to exist, to begin, and to be real. As we continue to explore, we might discover that the true nature of the cosmos is even stranger than we can imagine. The answers might lie in realms of physics we haven't yet discovered, in mathematical frameworks we haven't yet conceived. What's clear is that the story of our universe is far from complete, and the mystery of what existed before time remains one of the most fascinating questions we can ask. Which of these cosmic origin stories resonates most with you? And what do you think truly existed before everything began?